Can I see how fast it is before I pay?
They just back out. They just shut down all the computers.
No, I'm not worried about it right now. But
Like tomorrow, yeah.
this is the walk from the local sari-sari store back to Cindy's house.
Where are you? No one.
Huh?
I want to show you.
Oh,
You don't know what is that?
no, I was checking this thing out. I still say crossing the road around here is like playing a game of real life Frogger.
There's a military.
Yeah, her little barangay in Sibonga is like the safest place in the Philippines. One of the recruit training depots for the PMP is right around the corner from that sari-sari store. Papa said these are apartments, and a nurse from America, it just had them built. See, here's where I thought you were talking about. This used to be a sari-sari store.
Yep.
Last time I was here.
Yep.
And I thought this was the one you were talking about when you said the internet cafe. Back there, okay. Are there more houses down there?
Yeah.
Oh. Mahangabi. Mahangabi. That's Filipino raking. Whose lot is this?
I don't know. I guess it was not sure.
Oh, well. All kinds of banana trees. All right. Here we go, taking our life into our own hands.
Okay, are you ready? One. It's all clear.
Cool. Go while the going's good. This is Cindy's front neighbor. And there's Papa exercising. And this is back at Cindy's house.